Welcome to the Bangalore Motor Show, and we have here we're coming from Executive Motorcar Trends. What you see here is the Innova that we have featured, that we have built for the market, and it's one of its kind again because what you see here is a practical seven-seater concept. It's a first of its kind concept in the market where a customer, a client can practically use all the 7 seats when he wants to travel, and we provide them with one recliner seat where he can sit and travel with extreme luxury. He's got his own fold-out tables. We've featured wooden inserts for the entire car. We have a flip-down TV. We have custom mood lightings as per the client's taste. The touch panel membrane that you see on the car is to operate the entire seats and the entire electronics that you see inside the car. Now, what you see with the exterior design is also being provided for the aesthetic look of the car. And the best part about the entire project with this Innova when compared to the market cars is we have 7-seating capacity, 7-seating capability of from our designers end to get such a kind of a product in the market, where we have not only focused about about the customer who's going to sit, but we've also focused with regards to his family who would be traveling with the car. So at times when the client wouldn't want only to be traveling alone, and when he would have his kids, for that matter, even more people along with him who would travel, then he can also use the car with the original 7-seater configuration. So all the panels that are being used in the car are made out of fiberglass. They are made out of lightweight material. You also have your very unique feature, which is your fold-out table. So just in case if he has to hold a meeting, he can slide out, he can keep his laptop here. He can also use it as a table for his dining purpose. And once that is done, he can fold it very practically. Doesn't need too much of efforts. We have charging points. On client's request, we can also give them iPad or their Samsung tablets. We have a fold-out TV.